Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora bag, and it's for July 2019, and this is what the bag looks like. It's like all the other bags, it's just like it's in a different color, and it has like the same, like I've seen on some of them, it has like the comb, the lips, and the brush, and mascara here and so forth. But it's a pretty bag. I like the green. It's really nice. And I just want to show you like the little paper that always comes in there. You can consider it little, but it's really a big paper. But it's called Play. The card that comes in there is Play by Sephora. 50 inside, what it says, Beauty Inside Points. And that's what this is. You could use this online or at the store, and you have to have you get like a certain number of points, and yeah, you could get merchandise and stuff there. So yeah, this is what this looks like. And then I'm going to show you the inside of the paper, and this is the items, which I show every time I get this. And these are them. I like it that they give like they give like 6 samples, so, and it's only $10 to join. And again, this is what this looks like, the card. Now I'm going to show you the items that I received. And the first item, I hope I'm not saying the name, it's too awful. It's called Caudalie. Caudalie. And it is a skin protecting serum. And this is what this looks like. And the next item that I received is called, it's Drunk Elephant. And this is a makeup melting butter cleanser. And then it came with this inside it too, by Drunk Elephant, and it's a bamboo booster exfoliate. It says it's a bamboo extract charcoal powder. Then the next item that I received is by Kiehl's, and it says it's a ginger leaf and whatever that says. I can't see it because it's like shiny, but it's a firm mask, and it's for the skin. Then the next item that I received is by, not sure if this is right. It says B, or if it's D, D-I-T-E. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside, if I can open it. If I can't, I'll just show you. No, I can't. But this is what it looks like. This is the color it is, what you see here. And it's a lip pencil. Like a, yeah. And the next item is by Clinique. And it says, take the day off, makeup remover for the lid, lashes, and lip. And I've gotten this before, so. And then the last item that I received is Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. This is a toilet spray. And yeah, inside is like a little sample, which I'll show you. This is what it looks like. It smells really good. And I've gotten some of Marc Jacobs toilettes. And it says here, Daisy L, so sweet, captured. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but yeah. And again, this is what this looks like. And these are all the items that I received in my Play by Sephora, the little bag that it comes in. And this is for July 2019, as I said before, and it's $10 to join. You pay that each month. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again. Goodbye.